Today's review is going to be on the Richard Mille RM 6702. Okay, so today I'm going to be wearing what I call Richard Mille's version of the Apple Watch. Now, this watch is a little bit in your face. We're not talking about the green, okay? It's just a total different variation of all the other Richard Milles that are popular. This one's a lot thinner, a lot louder, and check out the strap. It's pretty much made out of an underwear Boxster elastic. I mean, that's pretty much the most audacious part of the watch in my opinion. So the RM 6702 comes in many different colors and variations, and they're all targeted towards different athletes. This particular one in the NTPT green is for the South African track star Wayde van Niekerk. Now, is it my favorite one? Almost kind of is. They have a couple different ones that stand out. They have a white one, which is also my favorite, which is made for an Olympic skier. But this one is just on fire. I mean, the one thing that I like about this RM that's different than all the other ones is that this one is strictly an athletic watch. Being thin, it weighs absolutely nothing. When I first saw it released, I didn't think I was gonna like it. I had many dealers offer it to me, different prices, stuff like that. You know, I kind of actually passed on it at retail several times. I just didn't think it was hot. I'm not even sure yet if it's on fire in the market, but I tell you one thing, I've been wearing it for 2 weeks and I kind of like it. Can't say that everybody else that sees me likes it, because they look at it and they go, what the heck are you wearing? It looks like an Apple Watch. Other people comment and say, it looks like a toy. But you know what? I don't know why, I'm kind of feeling this watch. So in my opinion, I think it's like the perfect everyday wearing during the day Richard Mille. Doesn't weigh like anything, doesn't say anything. The strap is a little crazy, and there's a couple things I want to go over on this strap. This is by far the most complicated watch I've ever put on my wrist because of the fear that it could actually fall off. And I'm going to show you the right way to put this watch on and off. So the one thing I want to say about this watch is it took me some practice to put it on. And you always want to do it on top of a surface in case of an event, it won't fall on the floor. This watch might even slingshot from your hand. But the best way to put this watch on is you got to hold it by the watch case and you slide it in like this. That's the best way to put it on. You try putting it on with the case here and the strap, I swear you're going to launch this watch out of here. To take it off is a little bit more trickier. You got to do this, then take the head and pull it off. Little tricky and take some practice. So the first version of the RM 67, I honestly just overlooked. I just wasn't feeling it. Came in rose gold and I think maybe even titanium, I'm not exactly sure right now. But I wasn't really that crazy about it. It just it looked a little bit like a woman's model, I'm not gonna lie. It looked just very simple and dressy, and I don't know, man, I don't see Richard Mille as like a dressy watch brand. I think there's other brands that are stronger at that. But then they came out with the 6702 and they're all in NTPT quartz and they're very sporty themes. Then it kind of got my attention and I like it. Price point on a watch like this is gonna be $165,000. And let me tell you that this is the Richard Mille that I feel like is the most disrespectful of all. Even the dealers, even the guys that are in the watch game, we're looking at this watch and we're thinking, these guys are taking it too far. $165,000, it's as thin as ice, and has an elastic band strap. What are these guys thinking? But, you know, they're always gonna be pushing the envelope and they're always gonna be taking it farther and farther. These watches are not for everybody. And I think they've honestly, with the 6702, made that clear. I'm not really sure anybody's gonna wear this watch to do athletics. Let's just face it. It's more of a fashion thing, you know, more of a watch game status thing. This is the type of watch to wear in an outfit like this. You know, you're just in jeans, sneakers, and a t-shirt. On a Sunday during the day, torrential downpour about to occur. But this is what way that I feel the watch is worn best. I really like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it, guys. I tell you that. I was always more of a Bubba Watts and Nadal or RM11 type of guy. But now that I've gotten to wear it, I kind of like it. And I hope in the future I can maybe perhaps pick up the white one, the black one, the green one, and they also have a purple one. Either one of those will be nice as long as it's at the right price. Now, with the watch game, it's obviously a heavy piece. Anytime that you can afford to acquire a $160,000 watch that has an elastic band strap and is obviously by a brand that's hot in the game, it's obviously a heavy piece and it's gonna score you some points. So feel free to comment below how you feel about this RM67 green on an elastic strap. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell till it looks like this. And if you like this video, please like and share. Also, subscribe to our channel. My name is Eric. This is Watch Your Style.